Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Ajaz Ahmed and welcome to my Doctv. How are you friends? I hope you guys are fine. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get my latest video notification. So let's start our class. In this class we are going to learn about cell life cycle. In cell life cycle, we have 6 topics. First one is replication, second cell cycle, third mitosis, fourth mitotic spindle, fifth meiosis, and the last one is meiosis and gametes. Replication. DNA houses a cell's hereditary matter. Each DNA molecule contains genetic information encoded in a sequence of nucleotides. The small molecule form the complementary base pair that link the strands of double helix together. Adenine binds with thymine and cytosine binds with guanine. Before cells divide, DNA is copied through the process of replication. The double helix is unzipped and new nucleotides bind to their complementary bases on the free strands, forming two duplicates of originals. Cell cycle. A cell's life consists of a series of phases called the cell cycle. G0 phase, resting phase, G1 phase, organelle duplication and protein synthesis, S phase, DNA replication, G2 phase, protein synthesis, interphase, we have mitosis, cytokinesis. Cell cycle. During interphase, cells perform their normal functions. They also prepare for division. Cells grow and create copies of their organelles, replicate their DNA, and synthesize proteins during the periods of interphase. The cell then divides during mitosis and cytokinesis, creating two daughter cells that enter interphase again. Some cells, such as neurons, don't undergo division. These cells don't participate in cell cycle and are said to be in G0 phase. Mitosis. The human body develops or replaces old cells with new cells and repair itself with the help of cells that constantly multiply by dividing. The process begins in the cell nucleus. Identical copies of DNA molecule organize into chromatid pairs within the chromosome structure. These pairs are connected to each other at the chromosome's centromere. In the next step, spindle fiber attached to the centromere and the chromatid line up along with the cell's midline. The chromatid are then pulled apart, creating two identical sets of chromosomes. A nuclear membrane forms around each of two identical sets of chromosomes, and eventually the cell cleaves in two, with each daughter cell containing one of two nuclei. The process through which a cell divides the genetic information within its nucleus into two identical copies within independent nuclei is called mitosis. Mitotic spindle. During prophase, a network of microtubules called mitotic spindle is formed by pericentriolar material in centrosomes. The microtubules attach to and pull apart chromatids during mitosis. Pericentriolar material, centrosome. Meiosis. Sex cells are produced through meiosis. This process differs from mitosis in several important ways. Meiosis involves two cell division instead of one, and the process produces four genetically unique cells rather than two identical clones of the parent. Sex cells are also haploid, containing only half the full set of 46 chromosomes. Because each cell is haploid and genetically unique, it can combine with another sex cell during fertilization to create offspring with genetic variations. Meiosis and gametes. Gametes, the male and female sex cells, are produced through meiosis in the ovaries and testes. Testes produce male gametes, sperm. Ovaries produce female gametes, ovum. If you want to learn about human anatomy and physiology, please subscribe my channel, like and share. It's time to wind up our class. See you in next class. Till then, have a healthy life. Stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.